Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to track moving objects in DaVinci Resolve. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to track moving objects in DaVinci Resolve, all you gotta do is simply go to DaVinci. Once you're in your DaVinci Resolve, you need to now go to the Fusion page. Once you're in the Fusion page as well, you need to add a tracker node, that is point or planar tracker. Now you need to select your object with the tracker box for good contrast and simply hit the track forward, then connect the tracker's output to your element, like a text or image, in the match move operation mode to make it follow the motion, adjusting the settings for accuracy. So once you do this, you will be able to simply track moving objects in DaVinci Resolve without using any complicated methods. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.